Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to remove the password from a password protected PDF file on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a PDF file that we have on screen with the password protection on there, for us to then go into the file itself and edit the permissions. Can I start the tutorial? Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's focus on the screen where we have ComputerScienceVideos.pdf. Click on this, double click. This will then ask us to enter the password below. This document is password protected. You must know the password in order for you to re-edit these permissions to remove the password completely. Let's enter the password, enter to open up the information within that PDF file. Let's now go to File, then go to Edit Permissions. If I were to, let's just say, click on Require Password to open up the document, this will still require the password every time you were to open up the document. However, on a password, let's just remove that for the moment. We will have to type in the owner password. This is not the password of the computer. This is the password that I used to get into that PDF file and unlock in order to see the information. Let's now type that in. Click on Apply. Let's now quit preview. Now let's turn the attention to the PDF file again. We can now see that the lock that was on the logo of the PDF file has been removed. If I were to click on the PDF file itself, we can now see that we are no longer required to type in that password, as we have changed the permissions of the password protected PDF file. Why would one want to do this? In order to give access to all the people that may require the file, and it saves them having to type in the password all the time. So we can now quit preview. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.